Good, good. I'm gonna listen to your favorite crate.
No, it wasn't.
Oh my god. That is wild.
Oh my gosh, it took a We can, Bob, you can walk up it. It's a staircase.
Whatever you boys do.
Like a
Hold
monkey.
Drew, hold Drew. Guys, look at this. Is honestly like, you know, in Boy Scouts we talk about blood circle. That's the blood circle. It's holding on. Right now, you guys cannot walk under here. You want to walk behind it, fine. But you can't. If it goes down, you're going to get squished, okay? So, you're going to walk behind it. Okay, Drew?
Where's your big rope at? Or your long one?
It's over there. I can go grab it.
We can hook it there and I'll bring the truck over here.
Pull it that way?
Yeah.
Alright.
And see if we can't pull it over.
Sure.
Yeah, look at that.
What?
It's smashed crate.
Yeah, that's
We have to get this angle here from this side.
Oh, the crate smashed.
Alright,
Oh,
let me
yeah.
go get that big long
Here's
rope.
Bob's crate once upon a time. It is no more.
Now walk up it, Mom.
You're in the blood circle, Mom.
Isn't that something?
The blood circle.
Get a rope and pull it down.
Mom, I can't wait on that day.
Look it. You can walk up it.
Yeah.
I walked up it.
Hi.
Got to wait. Let's go back here so we've got some protection.
Yeah, I'd say come get the view from this side.
Great.
On the line, you'll get everything.
All right.
Stand on the lawn. Mom.
One thing too, Wash. Yeah, you're cool with the way your fingers are.
Well, yo, fine, bro.
Hi.
Okay, cool.
Pine cone.
And Drew, a little bit further back, honey. Drew? Exactly. We don't want to.
Mom, doesn't it look like those trees are gonna fall?
Yeah.
Didn't it?
Whee! Whoosh!
Wow, that was something, Bob. We do that again.
Just turn the track off and we'll leave it hooked up.
What's that?
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job. Well done.
Good job.
Look at this. Do you want to film any more of this? Let me shut this off.
No, that's probably good.
Okay. Wow.
Sweet.
Count the rings. Woohoo! How many feet do you think that is? We have to walk it off to find that out.
The tree.
No, I hold it down.